Hello, today I'm in Subaru Legacy. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, let's take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can change radio volume, radio station, radio source. Then we can activate voice assistant, answer the calls and the calls, and then on the right side we've got the panel, thanks to which we can activate the cruise control. Of course, if you press right here, you'll use horn. Behind the steering wheel we've got the paddles, thanks to which we can change gears while we are in manual mode. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.